Hello, children. Today we are going to read out loud. Repeat after me. Okay, let's do it. I love to jump. I love to fun. I love to jump and have fun. I love myself. I jump and have fun in the sun. I feel happy. Thank you. Have a big clap to yourself. Okay. Now you can sit down properly. Thank you, children. You are so good in action. Thank you.